This video is not a substitute for training on the ventilator and assumes the clinician has read and understands the operator's manual. This video will cover the Inline Suction App of the Nihon Kohden ventilator. It is only available with NKV550 and NKV440 ventilators. While suctioning an artificial airway is a common procedure, it often causes desaturation, secondary to loss of lung volume from the procedure. To prevent patient decompensation from inline suctioning, many ventilators offer O2 enrichment before, during, and after these procedures. FiO2 enrichment may help to prevent desaturation. However, it does not address the root cause of open lung units collapsing from the suctioning procedure. The Inline Suction App not only provides customizable O2 enrichment, but also provides additional flow to compensate for the negative pressure generated in the lungs during suctioning. The brief demonstration showcases how dramatically open lung units can collapse from a typical inline suctioning maneuver, and how the novel Inline Suction App can help mitigate derecruitment of the alveoli. We are ventilating these lungs with the NKV550 ventilator, only providing 100% O2 enrichment commonly used in mechanical ventilation management. We will demonstrate the impact of the inline suction procedure on the lungs without the benefits of the added flow from the Inline Suction App. As suction is activated, you're able to see that the lungs start to collapse throughout the suctioning procedure. You can see that the lung is no longer fully expanded. Even with PEEP maintained, the negative pressure and flow from suctioning can cause lung derecruitment, undermining recruitment efforts. Next, we will demonstrate the impact on the lungs using Nihon Kohden's novel Inline Suction App. Locate the Inline Suction App from the App panel. With the Inline Suction App, we can customize the FiO2 enrichment. Use the encoder knob to adjust the FiO2 to the desired target. In this case, we'll increase to 100% for the procedure, just as we had during the first demonstration. A time progress bar appears as pre-oxygenation is initiated. Tap the Start Suction button immediately before the suction maneuver. With the suction activated, we can now observe that the lungs remain inflated. There is no visible sign of collapsed lung units. This illustrates that the lungs stay open and inflated even when suction is applied. Tap on the End Suction button to initiate the post-procedure oxygen enrichment. Post-oxygenation continues for 2 minutes or is canceled by the clinician. Tap on X to exit the app. Utilization of the Inline Suction App helps maintain lung volume and prevent derecruitment of alveoli. We can visually observe the impact of open lung units during suctioning when using the Inline Suction App compared to suctioning without the app.